Hey everybody, it's Michael again with 4G Woodcrafts. I wanted to show you one of my tools in my workshop today. It's going to be my table saw. As you can see right here, it's pushed off to the side under a shelf. So it's a Dewalt table saw, Jobsite saw, and I did originally have it on casters. I just upgraded to a base that helps it lock. So you can't just put casters. I used one sheet of plywood to make everything, but as you can see, it's just the table saw sitting on a shelf I built in the enclosure to the size of the table saw. I have this side table that goes up and a support for it right here. So I have a work surface there, and then if you look on the back, I have the stanchion here for the Outfeed table. So that goes under here and fits on there. So I have an Outfeed table. With this base, unlock it of course, and it levels out and it's steady. And I also built out of the same plywood a Infeed table. So right here, I just built it to spec, so I have an Infeed table, Outfeed table, and side table all on my portable Dewalt Jobsite table saw. Another thing I do recommend for everybody to get is a real miter gauge. I have an Incra miter 1000 HD, and it works tremendously. It is beautiful to redo cuts, very precise every single time. I use it all the time, and I would recommend anybody to invest in a good miter gauge. But that is, my table saw, which is the centerpiece of most woodworkers, and I use it all the time. I put the blade down and use it as a table, work table and everything too, and then it stows over neatly in the side of the garage. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to post links to the table saw I used and the miter gauge. And again, if you have any questions, let me know. See you guys next time.